Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the important questions or topics on MPC 003, Personality, Theories and Assessment. As I mentioned earlier, we won't be discussing the short answers because they are self-explanatory. So now let's look into the questions. From block 1, we need to look into two units, Unit 1 and Unit 2. From Unit 1, which is the important unit, we need to look into personality development. Under personality development, we have three factors: biological, psychological and environmental. This can come as a 6-mark question or can be clubbed together and can come as a 10-mark question. From Unit 2, we need to look into three topics: Alport's trait approach, Cattell's trait approach and Guilford's trait theory. These three can come as a 6-mark question. The Guilford trait theory is some important, so give more attention to this one. Now let's look into the short answers. Coming into block 2, we need to cover 4 units here. And from first unit, structure of personality, development of personality, basic anxiety and neurotic needs, Sullivan's theory of personality. These topics are important, and from this the repeated question is basic anxiety and neurotic needs. This is mostly coming as 6-mark question, and Sullivan's theory is coming as 10-mark question. From Unit 2, Albert Bandura's social learning theory, which is an important repeated question. As mentioned earlier, this can come as a 6-mark or 10-mark. From Unit 3, Pavlov learning theory of personality, and under this there are many subtopics, and inside that principles of classical conditioning is the important topic. This is mostly coming as a 6-mark question. And from that unit there is one more topic, which is operant behavior and schedule of reinforcement. This will also come as a 6-mark question. Now going further with Unit 4, hierarchy of needs and Carl Rogers' theory of personality. This Carl Rogers' theory of personality is a repeated question from many of the question papers, so give importance for that question. Now let's look into the short answers. Coming to block 3, from the first unit, the proprium, development of selfhood, functional autonomy, and the mature personality. This can come as a 6-mark question. From Unit 2, the formula for personality and categories of traits. The formula for personality can be clubbed together with the answer of Cattell's theory in Unit 2 of Block 1. And from Unit 3, Sheldon's somatotype personality, Ayurvedic body types, Eysenck's trait type theory, neuropsychological basis of traits and types. And from Unit 4, theoretical perspectives on the Big Five, description and explanation, measurement of the Big Five inventory. All these questions are coming in a twisted manner. So none of these are repeated ones, but these are important questions, and these are the questions that came in the previous question papers. Now from Block 4, Unit 1, Meaning and Purpose of Personality Assessment, Testing and Measurement Concepts. This will also come as a 6-mark question or can club together and come as a 10-mark question. Unit 2 and Unit 3 are important chapters of this block because you can expect many questions or you can expect repeated questions from these 2 units. From Unit 2, projective techniques is one of the very important question because this is repeated in many question papers. Measures to avoid faking and methods to overcome weakness in self-report test is also another question. From Unit 3, common characteristics and assumptions, advantages and limitations of behavioral assessment, uses and types of behavioral assessment, case study method, mainly purpose and type, and interview method. If you want, you can eliminate this interview method as well. It's not that important. And from Unit 4, apperception test, and inside that, thematic apperception test is a repeated question. Now let's look into the short answers. The units which I marked as red is important unit of that particular block, and there are high chances for questions to come in that from that particular block. So give more focus to those units, and also the questions which are marked in red are repeated questions. I hope you like this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.